Hello everyone, welcome back to Linda Kruger's Healthy Asian Cuisine channel. Today I'm sharing a dessert recipe which was created by my grandmother. It is called Nyonya buburchacha, a Malaysian sweet potatoes and coconut milk dessert. My grandmother is a pure Nyonya Baba or peranakan. Nyonya Baba is a mixed race of Malay and Chinese in Malaysia. I tweaked the recipe using 3-color sweet potatoes, and I used pandan leaf to naturally color the tapioca jelly. This delicious and satisfying dessert is loved by all ethnicity in Malaysia and Singapore. To start preparing your sweet potatoes and yam, wash and peel the purple, orange, and white sweet potato and yam. After peeling all the sweet potatoes and yam, cut them into 1 centimeter or half-inch cubes. We only need 80 grams for all the sweet potatoes and 100 grams of yam. Reserve any balance of roots vegetables for soup or other cooking. Thereafter, place all the chopped sweet potatoes and yam into a steamer and steam for 10 minutes. To make the pandan juice, hold a pandan leaf above your blender, cut the pandan leaf with a pair of kitchen scissors and let cut leaves drop into the blender. Add 110 ml water into the blender and blend until it turns into pandan juice. Strain the blended pandan leaf juice and squeeze the juice from blended leaf into a small saucepan and bring it to a boil. Pandan juice is used to flavor and color the tapioca jelly. The juice has to be boiling hot or else the flour would not form a dough. To make tapioca flour jelly, place the flour in a mixing bowl, mix the hot pandan juice into tapioca flour and mix with a fork or a spatula. When it is cool enough to handle, knead with your hand until a dough is formed. Divide the dough into 4 quarters, working on 1 quarter of dough at a time. Roll out the dough into 1 centimeter thick, then cut into 2.5 centimeter or 1-inch cube. Sprinkle some tapioca flour to coat all the cubes to prevent them from sticking together. In a small pot, bring about 250 ml or 1 cup water to a boil, then add the tapioca cubes. Boil the cubes until they turn into jelly. Note, when the tapioca cubes float in the boiling water, it indicates that they are cooked and turn into jelly. Transfer tapioca jelly into cold water to prevent them from sticking together and set aside. To make the Nyonya buburchacha, take a medium-sized pot, add the coconut milk, water, tie a knot to the remaining 2 pandan leaves, then add it into the liquid. And finally, add the coconut sugar. Stir to combine and mix everything in the pot evenly. Over medium-high heat, bring the liquid in the pot to a gentle boil for about 10 to 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, remove the pandan leaves, then add steamed sweet potatoes and yam, followed by the tapioca jelly. Stir and simmer all ingredients for another 5 minutes, then lather out the Nyonya buburchacha into a bowl. Nyonya buburchacha can be served either cold or hot. Both ways taste great. Enjoy. I hope you will make this tasty, colorful sweet potatoes and yam coconut milk dessert If you make this dessert, please tag Healthy Asian Cuisine on Instagram. Don't forget to share this video, subscribe to the channel and click on the bell so you won't miss any future episodes. I will see you soon. Have a lovely week ahead.